Welcome back, investors. Today we are going to see the quarterly results of Anand Rathi Wealth Limited. तो ये आनंद राठी किसमें का विच स्पेस कौन से सेक्टर में है? ये वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट स्पेस में है, जहाँ पे हाई नेटवर्थ क्लाइंट्स, अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ क्लाइंट्स का दे मैनेज देयर वेल्थ. So they what they do is that there are many clients who are family offices who want to manage, who want some other professional company to manage their wealth. So what does Anand Rathi do is that they will provide advisory services, and accordingly they will earn their commission based on distribution, mutual fund distribution, all that. So let us deep dive into Anand Rathi Wealth. How was their what is the business? ये बिजनेस में 3 साल 5 साल में ये बिजनेस कैसे बढ़ने वाला है. जैसे हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स बढ़ेंगे वैसे ये बिजनेस बढ़ेगा. तो अभी इनका हाउ वाज देयर परफॉर्मेंस, क्योंकि परफॉर्मेंस तो बहुत अच्छा है. ये 189 करोड़ लास्ट ईयर के बदले 249 करोड़ का सेल्स इनकम हुआ है. सो दैट हैज ग्रोन क्वाइट सिग्निफिकेंटली एज कम्पेयर टू क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर भी ऑल्सो थोड़ा स्लाइट इंप्रूवमेंट है. देन प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स फ्रॉम 77 करोड़ टू 102 करोड़, तो ये भी अच्छा बढ़ा है. दैट इज शोन अ गुड इंप्रूवमेंट. Profit for the period is 76 crores as against 57.68 crores. So profit also has, net profit bottom line has gone up. Earning per share around 13.83 का 18.32 हुआ है for this quarter. So overall the result look pretty okay. They have been continuously growing. बट इसमें ऐसा है कि जैसे जैसे वेल्थ बढ़ेगी, जैसे जैसे वेल्दी इंडिविजुअल्स बढ़ेंगे, नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स हैविंग क्रॉसिंग दिस हाई नेटवर्थ कैटेगरी, अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ कैटेगरी जैसे बढ़ेंगे, तो इसमें इनका कैसे है कि द मेन यूएसपीज आर देयर RMs, and accordingly what sort of research department or research coverage they have on different sectors, on different different asset classes, ये सब चीज important है for Anand Rathi. So देखते हैं how that Anand Rathi has performed depending on AUM कितना बड़ा है, client base कितना बड़ा है. Now we are going to look at the consolidated picture for this quarter, July to September quarter, how Anand Rathi has performed during this quarter. So this gives a snapshot of total revenues over last few quarters. So total revenues, if you see, are 33.6%. So over here, if you see, the revenues have grown at around 32% in quarter 2 FY25. Revenue from operations is around 32.8. Then after that, if you see, the PAT margin is around 30.6, which is also quite impressive. They have been able to maintain their PAT margin also at around 30% plus. So that is a good sustainable performance shown by Anand Rathi. This slide shows us the AUM growth from June 2023. Around AUM growth also has gone up quite significantly. If you see at 75,084 crores, 75,000 crores is your AUM, and percentage 56.6%, and active client family is around 10,977. तो ये last quarter के comparison also the active clients have increased. Client attrition is very less, so this is they are able to maintain. Client stickiness is there, so client stickiness is maintained, so that is very positive factor. Relationship manager from 360 last quarter to 374. They have added 14 RMs. RM attrition is 0, so very important thing, because RMs are important conduit for sourcing of customer wealth into Anand Rathi, and so that they are able to advise their clients. So RM attrition is 0. That's a positive factor. Revenues have grown at 32%. Then overall PAT is also grown at 32% YOY, and AUM has grown 57%. That's a very impressive figure here. AUM, if you see here, AUM has grown by 57% YOY. Pretty good numbers. Here if you see the product wise AUM mix, so AUM का mix कैसा है? Equity mutual fund में around 55% है, डेट म्यूचुअल फंड 6%, NSP is around 25%, अदर इज 14%. ज़्यादा इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ 50 to 55% इज इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स. वहाँ पे कस्टमर्स हैव invested more money into equity mutual funds. Net inflows, if you see, 83% they have grown. Equity MF minus 33. Equity MF net inflows are minus 33%. SIP flows 75%. ये देखो आप, बहुत बढ़िया है. SIP flows काफ़ी ऊपर गया है. तो most of these clients are preferring equity mutual funds for their investments. So ये तो clearly यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Anand Rathi also has got a private wealth business. So how the private wealth business is shaping up, that we have to see. तो इसमें ऐसा है कि 50 lakhs to 5 crores, that is one category. Then once they the wealth get generated, they move to the next is 5 to 50 crores, and above 50 crores ultra high net worth. तो इसमें ऐसा है कि Anand Rathi is 53.8, मतलब more or less they are more into 5 to 50 crores bracket customer wealth. 21% is in 50 lakhs to 5 crores, and 24.7% is above 550 crores. This is the snapshot of AUM. AUM has grown from 46,000 last September to 73,000 crores. बहुत बढ़िया numbers है. Relationship managers also have gone to 374. Active client families 10,977. AUM per RM is 196. ये भी improve हुआ है. और clients per RM little bit gone down, 29 client, एक RM 29 clients को handle कर रहा है. That is what it is. So overall, more or less the wealth management, players are more or less, they have got these strategies. Like objective is to set your goal for wealth. Strategies decide a well thought out strategy to achieve. Implementation is implement the strategy and monitor, regular review and monitoring. So this is normal process for any wealth manager. Like you have Nuvama, you have Motilal Oswal, सभी का यही है normal strategy रहता है for growth in the business. So we see the board of directors: Mr. Anand Rathi, chairman and non-executive director; Mr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta, non-executive director; Rakesh Rawal. Then we have Mohan Tangsale, independent director; Ramesh Chandak, KG Somani, Sudha Namankar. So these are the board of directors of Anand Rathi. तो इसमें अभी देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज द सेक्टर टेलविंड इन द वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट बिजनेस. व्हाट इज द सेक्टर टेल मेन सेक्टर टेलविंड इज ग्रोथ इन द हाई नेटवर्थ क्लाइंट्स. जैसे क्लाइंट्स 50 लाख टू 5 करोड़ में क्लाइंट है, तो उनकी जैसे नेटवर्क बढ़ेगी, दे विल मूव टू 5 to 50 करोड़ कैटेगरी. उनकी वेल्थ बढ़ेगी तो फ्रॉम दैट दे विल ग्रो टू अबव 50 करोड़ कैटेगरी. सो फ्यूचर अनलॉकिंग इंडिया एल स्टोरी. इंडिया में वेल्थ कैसे ये सेक्टर टेलविंड है. जैसे एसेट मैनेजमेंट इंडिया लोकल इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री हैव ग्रोन 20.7% CAGR फ्रॉम 19 to 2024. तो ये मतलब आप देख सकते हो how much assets have grown for mutual funds. Penetration of MF industry, India is only 7.3% penetration as compared to the world. Other country like USA is 72.1%, world is 30.3. उसके कंपेरिजन में इंडिया में 7.3 penetration. तो ये काफी स्कोप है ग्रो करने का वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट इंडस्ट्री को. वी हैव ह्यूज मार्केट पोटेंशियल. जैसे आप देख सकते हो इंडियन मार्केट कैप डेटा 20.7% CAGR and 12% CAGR. इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड आप देख सकते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू ग्रो एट 16.1 CAGR इन FY27 तक. नंबर ऑफ हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स कितने बढ़ने वाले हैं, तो 15.7% CAGR से बढ़ने वाले अप टू 2027. एंड टैक्स पेयर अर्निंग्स आर 14.9% इंक्रीज होने वाले. सो जैसे जैसे हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स बढ़ेंगे, वैसे वैसे प्रोफेशनल कंपनीज हु आर मैनेजिंग दिस वेल्थ, their prospects will also improve. This is more from financialization of savings perspective. ये major tailwind है for this particular sector. Okay, now this snapshot says that okay, how much of financial assets how the various Indians are investing. ये more or less snapshot है. जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि out of the total financial asset of 426.8, सो इसमें से आप देख सकते हो कि डिपॉजिट्स में 143 है, मतलब ये सबसे ज्यादा डिपॉजिट्स में है. उसके बाद आप देख सकते हो 66% इज इन इंश्योरेंस, 64.9% इज पीएफ एंड पेंशन, स्मॉल सेविंग में 48 है. अभी आप देखोगे इसमें इक्विटी में 36 है, सिर्फ 36 लाख करोड़ इक्विटी में है. देन इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड में 26.6. बट इफ यू सी द ट्रेंड इज गोइंग अप. वहां पे 2014 में ओनली 1.8 लाख करोड़ थे, जहां से वो अभी 26.6 लाख करोड़ हुए. सो मैसिव जंप यू हैव सीन इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करने वाले लोगों की. इक्विटी में इन्वेस्ट करने लोगों की भी बड़ी है, 36.1 लाख करोड़ इंक्रीज हुआ है. डिपॉजिट में भी इंक्रीज हुआ है, करेंसी में है. और ओवरऑल देखोगे तो इसका मतलब यह है कि पीपल हैव started investing very majorly in last 10 years in equity mutual funds and direct equity. यहाँ पे let us look at the new businesses of Anand Rathi. New businesses like digital wealth, scaling up the use of technology enabling the technology for mass affluent having existing financial asset 10 lakh to 5 crores. इसमें AUMs have grown up from 1387 to 1826 and clients have grown to 545. Now this is basically इनका strong growth momentum जो है 30% top line growth हो रही है. तो ये every quarter we have seen a steady increase of 30% in every quarter on quarter. So strong growth momentum कंटिन्यू रहेगी, जिसमें जैसे जैसे वेल्दी इंडिविजुअल्स बढ़ते जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे आनंद राठीज प्रॉस्पेक्ट विल इंप्रूव. बट यू हैव टू सी हाउ मच ग्रोथ दैट दे आर एबल टू हैंडल. क्लाइंट एट्रिशन हैज टू बी लो, एटसेट्रा. दीज आर मेन की फैक्टर्स. Now, यहाँ पे if you see at this quarter, 62.5 is your equity and debt mutual fund. Distribution of financial products is 118 crores and 1.4 crore IT enabled services. Total 189.1 crores last year था, जो अभी increased to by 32% to 249 crores. So जिसमें 105 crores is equity and debt mutual funds, 135 distribution of financial products. इसमें उन लोग का revenues बढ़ा है और PAT around 32% increase हुआ है. Now to summarize Anand Rathi's performance, what are the positives? Positive is 32% top line growth, 30% top line growth maintained in this quarter. Client additions also have increased, RMs have increased. So wealth management as such, they are doing distribution of mutual funds, different mutual fund schemes. तो इसमें भी उन लोग का अच्छा they have earned good revenues. तो लेकिन comparison to Nuvama, comparison to Motilal Oswal, these are all the competitors of Anand Rathi. So Anand Rathi, अगर in case if they have to scale up in a big way, there is a huge competition which is there from Nuvama Wealth. There is another competition from Motilal Oswal, who is the big daddy of this wealth management space. So Anand Rathi ko in case if they want to get a larger pie in the overall wealth management space, they will have to have a niche products. They will have to have a very focused and sharp equity research team, and they will have to that is one thing is retaining the existing client plus acquiring new clients. So this is going to be a big challenge for Anand Rathi, that acquiring new clients, new high net worth individuals trying to pursue that aspect. So new client addition is going to be a key factor. लेकिन इसमें देखो what are the risk in the wealth management business is basically अगर equity markets or capital market as long as they are doing well, so till such time these wealth management players are also going to do well. Lekin what happens is bull phase, these these capital market players do very well in case of bull markets. Whenever there is a bear market, then we'll have to see how they are able to maintain such revenues and profits in a bear phase. So that is going to be a key risk, because as whenever there is a bear market, then these wealth management firms, they definitely see their revenues impacted. So that is the main risk which these guys, these companies carry. Overall, Anand Rathi well managed company, but they will have to try to increase their revenues beyond 30%, because what is happening is that competition is lurking. Nuvama's wealth is also doing very well. Motilal Oswal has got pretty good coverage across social media. Nuvama Wealth also has got social media coverage, but Anand Rathi has needs to have more coverage in the social media to gain more acceptance into Anand Rathi's expertise in managing wealth, etc. So those are going to be the key risks, because competition is pretty intense in the wealth management space. Acquiring clients and retaining clients is going to be a key challenge for all these wealth management players. But as long as the wealth management industry as a cake is continuously growing, so accordingly every player in the wealth management space will have their own existence. Their market share also will go up, because the cake is going up. Now the overall cake in the wealth management space, as long as continues to go up, then all these players will do well. But what is going to be a distinguishing a factor among Nuvama Wealth, among Motilal Oswal and Anand Rathi and other banks is going to be their key research capabilities, how the RMs are able to convert the clients into active revenue stream. So those are going to be the key challenges which Anand Rathi is going to face against Nuvama Wealth and Motilal Oswal. So that is going to be see how they are able to tackle the competition and create a niche for themselves in within the customer or the client base. But overall, the results were pretty impressive. 30% growth maintained, and this is not a recommendation to buy Anand Rathi, but overall, if you see that Anand Rathi is pretty well placed to exploit the wealth management space. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.